The 500cc cruiser motorbike sector has welcomed the Benda Dark Flag 500 Commander as a new ride. The model is a fresh take on Benda Motorcycle's V4 powered cruiser. This cruiser in the bobber style has undergone several upgrades, one of which being a more opulent look. The choice of the glossy shadow white hue and the brown synthetic leather seat cover work together to create this upscale appearance. Installing a digital instrument panel with a TFT screen in place of the semi-digital type on the previous model is another update to the Benda Dark Flag 500 Commander. Another intriguing feature is the air suspension system installed in the leg area, which is meant to give comfort without sacrificing stability. In order to facilitate simpler riding, the highly advanced technology may be automatically modified to generate a seat height ranging from 670 to 700 mm. In terms of specs, the Benda Dark Flag 500 Commander is powered by a 496cc liquid-cooled 16-valve V4 engine that has a 53.5 mm bore and a 55.2 mm stroke. The output, which is belt-driven and transmitted to the back wheels, is 55 horsepower at 10,000 RPM and 52 Nm of peak torque at 7,000 RPM. The transmission is a 6-speed manual with a peak speed of 165 km/h, according to the manufacturer. Just like the previous model, this cruiser still maintains the upside-down front suspension and full LED lighting that provides optimal visibility. Safety features in the form of anti-lock braking system ABS and traction control are also still installed. For additional information, the Benda Dark Flag 500 Commander weighs 241 kg and has a fuel tank capacity of 16 liters. Lastly, the Benda Dark Flag 500 was the first Chinese motorbike to have a V4 engine. Since then, Kyujin Motor has released a comparable product, the SRV 600V Flash. The electrically adjustable air suspension struts at the back of the Dark Flag 500, which allow the seat height to be reduced from 700 to 670 millimeters, are another unique feature. The 500cc bobber's key specs are 241 kg and 54 horsepower.